motions. We got my buddy Just. What is this guy doing? God damn! As you guys can see, ADRO just needs to load the gas.
I'ma turn up in the beach.
100K per back truck. 100K. You're letting
taking that shit, bro. That nigga gonna pin me to the bag.
Okay, I walk with it up. Pouring up, lean in the crush. Get that bitch stuck in my crush. That bitch bitches on the bus.
Right now we are at Home Depot. We're trying to get the bolts. It's a 716 by 20, I think. I think there's only one, unfortunately. All right, on to Lowe's now. We are now in Lowe's. Anyway, yeah, so we went to Lowe's. We went to Home Depot. Home Depot only had one of the bolts. Now we're at Lowe's. Lowe's has none of the bolts. Now we're going to another Home Depot. It's now 9 p.m. We're gonna hope that this one has it. I'm gonna give them a call now. We're gonna see. Marcus, any words?
I'm scared.
And we are back, guys. Harness bar, fortunately, we're not gonna be able to get to tonight. Justin has not failed me, but Lowe's and fucking Home Depot have. I don't know how Home Depot and Lowe's don't have 4 different Home Depot, 4 different ones. Catch back up with you guys when either the harness is on or whether we find a bolt or not. And we are back again, round 2 this time. We got the bolts. Here they are right here. These stupid things, like you literally can't find these anywhere, at least not in Florida. We're back again and we're getting the harness. As you guys can see, you do have to take off a lot of the lining here. Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Dear Bruce, I need to be honest and clear.
But anyway, you guys do have to actually drill into your seatbelt. You just made my hole bigger. Pause. That sounded crazy.
What do you mean by that?
I don't feel safe.
Hey, hey, red lights is nuts. Hey, that guy's
I'm going to marry Harvey Dent.
Instead of using any of these random ass bolts that they give you, I just use the OEM hardware down there. It fits. There's no reason for it not to work. I mean, it's loose now, but once I tighten everything up, it's gonna be
tight. No, we got a kind of like a gray, so it's like it doesn't match obviously the exact same cyber gray, but it looks a really good like 2-tone gray. I'll show you guys when we have a little bit more, you know, lighting and it's done. The harnesses are very, very out there, but they're gonna look really good. Best part about this that I like is people can still sit in the back. I have a whole ass racing harness in here and you can still sit in the back. Look at this space right here. Justin's in here with a whole bunch of tools and I could even get in there with my big ass.
You serious?
All right, guys, update. As you guys can see here, we do have the Brom racing harness now coming through the end on both sides. Look at how, you guys can't tell me the blue and the pink does not go together with the gray harness bar. Like, come on, tell me that's not spec'd beautifully. Look at how many bolts that we were given that we are not using.
Yeah. He can't afford this. He can't afford this.
Teleported to Punta Gorda, down with Logan. We're about to put the ADRO V3 kit on. We're also going to be putting on a blow-off valve, ADRO V3 spoiler, ADRO V3 front lip, which is the new one, ADRO V3 diffuser, the new one, and then we're doing the V1 wing, and then we also blacked out the edges, which I haven't shown you guys yet.
Now.
Wow. You guys can see the ERLs and the blacked out tint there. That boy got the N line. That boy did the N line downgrade.
What do you say fuck me for?
Damn, what the fuck? That shit said 350. Daddy has power? 350. Corner edge.
Yeah, I just brought a fit. I don't think it fit. I'ma squeeze in this little bitch.
Oh my god.
I think he's a jester.
Yellow DRLs, black trim. Wait, there's Dada. Pop that pussy for me, do it. As you guys can see, V3 ADRO diffuser here. The version 1 wing. Single exit. What you think, Quan?
So listen, the front lip.
Hush. What you think about the setup in the back?
It's tough.
It's tough?
It's mid.
I'll do it on my
It's
side.
mid?
Yeah.
I'd say so. You like it? As you guys can see, ADRO did this nigga Logan nasty, bro. Look at this.
My opinion, like, all just aside, I could fix that shit. Even in the comments, like, all just like, y'all think you should say that shit back?
If we break up, no, we gon' get back together. Every time we argue, change the weather. And if she tried to leave, you know I let her. Searching high and low.
Go fast bits, blow off valve coming in here, buddy. I feel like I gotta tint my taillights now. That shit actually looks good with the little black side markers on it. I don't know about the trim though. I'm not sure what to do about the red trim. I don't know if I keep it. Let me know what you guys think. If I should keep the red trim, if I should do something crazy, half and half. Oh my God, Fina. This nigga's end is so sexy, I'm not gonna lie. That fucking blow off valve, damn. That's the same blow off valve that Logan is getting right now. GG's. Shit do look crazy though.
The fuck, man?
Yeah, this shit's sitting nice, I'm not gonna lie. That shit is sitting nice. I need to get some more exterior mods. Even this guy, like, bro, tinted tails, all types of badge skin, light green lights on the thing. Middle, everyone's got like badge. Like, bro, what am I doing, bro? This nigga got a lip kit. Like, my shit's really overly ass. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this shit's kind of crazy. I'm gonna be honest with y'all boys. I'm gonna lock in. Like, that shit. God damn. God damn. This shit. God damn. Jesus Christ. Wait, why is your shit sound louder? What'd you just say?
Oh, I put you on an idiot.
Yeah, batti boy.
Sure, the last time.
With the bands, with some money, fine. Stuff them in my pants while they fucking shine. Snakes around my cause I'm fucking slime. Switching up my way, cause I'm cutting time. I stay fresh, got a bang. Talk like fresh, like check out my teeth and implants. Got a old bitch and she live on her face. Even I'm mad and I go for the fuck on the black and they tend to be blue. I done been too, so got them talking too much and that boy be the king. I am the one in the middle of the city. Who got me beating? Diddy my pen, I get bucket like baby. Snap like that's all I think they for her teeth. Chicken me hitters, I'm tryna get sick. Bitches, they send me a nigga. Rat nigga wheel with go because hey. Still with these anybody on the bitch. I go to church and go all of myself. Front of a bird and that shit was a cat. I drop my winner, they be with Hendrick. Fuck these pillows, on top of the test. I can make a skinny mini.
Give him a little something, Papa. Give him a little something. What the fuck? Oh my God, the downshifts. Oh my. That nigga downshifted.
What are you up to? We can jump from the clouds if you want to. Drive a spaceship to Mars, I would love to. So what about you?
That blow off valve?
Blow valve is sexy as shit, I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, that shit's crazy. I'm not. Bro, yo, both y'all's DRLs with the colors looks crazy. God damn.